guys, today I'm eating this lo mein and some tofu in here. And I'll give you guys the what's the restaurant called so you guys can try it too. So they have varieties of cool stuff. Ooh, veggies. Cheers. So good. So much veggies too. Now let's try the tofu. Hopefully it tastes good. Very crunchy. Cheers. This was so good. I definitely recommend you guys trying this Chinese area.